Hello everybody, we are from Krishan 6th grade. Today we will introduce how to use managebac. First click in Google. Managebac is for seeing your homework. In IB we will use a lot because we need to use computer to do homework. It can send your homework quickly to the teachers and easily see your scores. Okay, now click managebac in the spot that you can write. Click on the first one. Click login in the right up. Type in your email that not your own email, like the school give to you, and click the green buttons. You will go into managebac. Yes, it will be everything in the managebac. It very much so it's hard to look. I like to use calendar because you can see what time you need to hand in your homework and what do you do. But I think the classes is better because you can see clearly and see what classes homework. And I think it's a good app. You can see some of your score, like this is a math homework. This is your score and you can see why you get this score. Like the teachers can give you some comment. Okay, do you know how to use managebac? Okay, thank you everyone. Bye bye.